Hi everyone, welcome to the Little Blue Skiff. Today I'm launching the boat at Leroy Wright Recreation Area in Brevard County, Florida. Leroy Wright is located about 35 miles southeast from downtown Orlando and the farthest upstream on the St. Johns River that I've traveled. The water level on the St. Johns River is down quite a bit from my previous videos, so I'm somewhat limited on the boating distance today, but it's beautiful nevertheless. You'll also notice that I've added some drone shots to the video. I have two drones, a DJI Neo and a DJI Mini Pro 4. I'm still experimenting with these drones and plan to add more shots of these beautiful areas as time goes on. Today it was fairly windy, so I was especially conservative flying the Mini Pro 4. But as I get more comfortable, I'll send it much farther and even get some action shots of the Little Blue Skiff. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
The approach to the 520 bridge over the St. Johns River. And then this is the Lone Cabbage Fish Camp. I'm passing here on the right. The 520 bridge that crosses over the St. Johns River. North of the 520. pond is super shallow here right now. It's 3.2 feet deep, which is just over what I can take. So I can't go very far until the water comes back up again. But I thought I'd give it a shot. Pretty area. Tricolor. Waves are kind of weird. The wind is actually blowing towards me, pushing waves up the St. Johns River, which is flowing in the direction that I'm moving. So, very weird state. There's cows grazing here in the pasture.
Hope you enjoyed the trip to Leroy Wright area as much as me. If you like this content, I'd appreciate your subscription and make sure to set the notification bell. Thanks, everyone. Take care.